Lo Florendo. Kay Giovanni! Mayroon pong infraction. And ball. Check muna namin, sir, sa live video. Ay! Sa tatlo, sunod na service. Ang setter, JM Apolinario. Good serve by Apolinario, JM. Jericho will set up. Puloy, Giovanni! Sean Neris, or Neris Sean Arizalita. Jersey number 1. To Sumagi. Apolinario! Jersey number 8. And June defenders. Ayan si Camposano to Jericho. Sa gitna. Puntos na naman. Jericho. And now studying at Orios University, Butuan City. Giovanni Puloy, studying at Central Mindanao University. Good serve by Puloy. Camposano! Jersey number 7 for the defenders. And Jericho. Good serve by Jericho. Pinoy Brian. Combination of Jericho. Too strong for jersey number 10 is back on the service area. Manuel Andre Medina. Good serve by Medina. Sean Saosin Candela. Meron po block touch. Vincent service to Brian. JM pinagpansin. Engineer, okay ka lang dyan. Brian. Services courtesy of Brian Bagunas. Brian! Smart serve by Brian Bagunas. Brian Bagunas. City. Mahino to Sumagi. JM binigay kay jersey number 11. Serving for Mahanya Marama. Good serve to Sumagi. And meron po Mahino ang serving. Once again to Sumagi. Starting out kay number 3. Mahayo. Jersey number 3. Charlie Mampayo would serve. Sean to Joe Marie. Still serving. Jersey number 3. Serve Charlie to Joe Marie. JB will set up Joe Marie Gravilla. Charlie Dalina. Would serve by Cypre. Sumagi with first ball to JM. Jersey number 11. Defenders. To JB Lo Florendo. Sean Zapato. Pantera. Ball. Serving 13. Roll up. Puntos sa Mahanya Marama. Sean Arizalita to Medina. Pinilitan si Medina and JM. Simple push na lang. Sa likod. Vincent J. Kagapay at Apolinario. Sumabit si Neres. Sean Arizalita. Jersey number 1. Good serve by Sean. JM. Sa likod kay Sean Arizalita of Central Mindanao University. Sumagi. JM. Camposano. Sean. Naka-adjust. To Gravilla. Bola. Number 4. Sumagi service good to Sumagi. JM. To Kim Malabunga. Kim Malabunga. Good serve. To Jory. Sean Johnson to Marino. Jericho. Serving for Mahanya Marama. Good serve by Jericho to Brian. And